So let's talk about SEO and keyword optimization, which is really the same thing. So if you don't know much about that, it's a good thing to study. I get emails all the time from people wanting to help me with that. I usually just do it myself. Yeah, again, SiteSell taught me a lot when I made blogs, when I made websites there. Some keywords are probably pretty obvious if you're writing about Tokyo, for example. You might write Tokyo Guide, have that as one of your keywords, and have that in your article if you're writing an article. So if you're writing online, you're promoting your side hustle. You're trying to please the keyword gods, Google, but that's changing very much. Google, Yahoo, but also some of the new AI search engines that are coming. And you also need to please readers so they keep coming back. So those two things you're trying to do, please both people, both entities. So again, if you're going to have a website or blog for your side hustle, don't just think of it as a static advertising page. You should be giving valuable information that keeps people coming back, and then try to sell them your product. So you're giving and then getting. And then you're trying to share all that information across different channels. Maybe it's LinkedIn, maybe it's Twitter, maybe it's Facebook, maybe it's TikTok if you're going to do a dance or something. But yeah, you're trying to share across different channels. So again, keep your brand image consistent across all platforms. We've talked about that before. And I would engage with your audience. So, for example, today I was on YouTube and watching a video of a gentleman in Japan. He was talking about real estate. And I made a comment, and boom, he answered my comment and thanked me for my comment and things like that. So I tried to do that too. If you get so big that it's just impossible, then you may want to hire someone from Upwork or Fiverr, or, if you can find someone that can do that for you in your voice. I suspect eventually we're going to have AI agents that will be able to do that for us, probably sooner than we can imagine. But at the moment, you need to hire a human if you can't handle it all yourself. But yeah, try to engage with people as much as you can. And if it's overwhelming, at some point you can hire someone. And you may want to try out different brand looks and see how they perform. You can use data analytics software to check that out. I haven't bothered with my things, my various projects. I've just chosen things that I like, but you might want to do that just to check. And just to summarize, I'll kind of read what I have here. Building your side hustle brand involves a strategic blend of defining brand elements, creating compelling narratives, establishing an online presence, and engaging with your audience effectively across various platforms. It's about crafting a unique identity and consistently delivering value to your audience. So yeah, good advice there.